Smart Door Lock. Smart Door Lock is a secure and versatile smart door deadbolt that offers 6-in-1 keyless entry to your home. The bridge upgrade allows you to control the access to your door while you are away from your home and monitor all activities remotely. Your smartphone is now a smart key and more. Lock and unlock your door, create virtual key for guests, and keep track of who comes and goes, all from your iOS and Android smartphone by using the Smart Door Lock. So now discuss different types of Smart Door Lock. 1. Second generation Smart Lock. Lock and unlock your door, create virtual keys for guests, and keep track of who comes and who goes. Apple HomeKit provides an easy, secure way to check your lock status and unlock your door. Nothing to wire or connect. When batteries need replacing, you will be notified by the Gust app. Highly secure and low energy Bluetooth. Sync the lock to your smartphone so your exterior door hardware stays the home. No more fumbling for keys. A Gust Smart Lock Auto lock behind you for peace of mind and automatically unlock as you approach. Turn on or off whenever you want. 24/7 activity lock tracks who enter and exit your home, and with unique key for each user, you will always know who opened your door and when. 2. U-Bolt Pro Bluetooth Smart Lock. It uses an external battery to activate your lock even when the batteries are dead. The two-layer protection using secure 128-bit AES and a dynamic key that will keep you and your data safe. U-Bolt Pro is designed to fit any US standard door. The simple installation takes minutes and only 4 screws. No wiring and no drilling required to install this lock. Voice control with Alexa, Google Assistant. It also works with IFTTT. The 360-degree live fingerprint ID uses one touch to unlock your door with your fingerprint from any angle. You can type any number of random digits and can still gain access as long as the one correct password is embedded in the longer set of numbers. Unlock when you arrive with your smartphone in your pocket using geofencing technology. Relock automatically for added security and convenience. It shares the access to your home remotely. Grant access to your family, guests, or service people via a code or an e-key for permanent access. It also protects you and your data with premium metal construction for strength and durability. Dual data encryption make it impossible to unlock your door without your permission. 3. KiwiSet Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Using the KiwiSet app, you can lock or unlock your deadbolt from your smartphone. The KiwiSet Holo Smart Lock responds to your command. Confirmation of a successful lock or unlock is sent back to your smartphone. The command sent by your phone is communicated to the Holo Smart Lock via Wi-Fi between your smartphone and the smart lock that allow you to execute commands from the KiwiCase. The KiwiSet Hello Wi-Fi Smart Lock using your existing home Wi-Fi network and internet connections to give you control. Using the KiwiSet app, you can lock or unlock your deadbolt from your smartphone. If you want to check when someone comes from home, check the KiwiSet app to view the lock history from anywhere. The secure mode will temporarily disable the keypad therapy, blocking entry of access codes. Please note that while in secure mode, the lock can still be unlocked with keys or paired smartphones. 4. Touchscreen Wi-Fi Deadbolt. When you don't have your phone on you, simply unlock the door using your unique entry code and easy-to-use keypad. Create permanent schedule or forget fumbling with keys or even getting your phone out of your purse. The lock will auto unlock as you approach the door with your smartphone. Also auto lock behind you. Yale Assure Lock with Wi-Fi worked with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant and Siri. You can lock, unlock and check lock status by just asking. Lock, unlock, share access with people you trust and receive real-time notifications from anywhere using the free app on your smartphone, tablet or Apple Watch. Use the app to share access with people you trust, provide app access or a custom entry code. Access can be installed in minutes using just a screwdriver on most standard doors. Step-by-step installation and programming instructions are available in this app.